The carriage snap is designed to attach to the base of either the C9 or C7 lights. At the bottom of the carriage is a socket that snaps to the male part of a snap. Using the gutter, sticky, or the screw snap, you can attach your lights to any smooth surface like fascia, gutters, door or window frames, or even railings. Here's how you install the carriage snap. First, place the carriage around the base of the C9 or C7 light. Twist the carriage so the wire slides into each of the bottom wire slots. Second, attach the gutter, sticky, or screw snap where each light is to be installed. Ensure you attach the snaps so they are appropriately spaced. If you use a screw snap, we recommend you make a pilot hole prior to installing the screw. We also recommend that you use a hand drill. If you do not have a hand drill, then use a Phillips head screwdriver. Finally, once the screw snap is installed, push and snap the carriage onto the screw snap. A special note, you can spray paint the screw snap to match the color of your fascia. You can install the screw on the underside or backside of your fascia board to hide the screw snap. And to make the bowl point upward or downward instead of straight out, push the wire through the top slots of the carriage snap. If you want to hang C9 or C7 lights on your gutter, follow the directions to attach the carriage to the base of your lights and then use the gutter snap. If you want to hang C9 or C7 lights around the window or door frames, follow the directions to attach the carriage to the base of your lights and then use the sticky snap. If you're using the sticky snap, first snap the sticky snap to the carriage snap. Next, clean the surface area. Finally, peel the cover off the top of the tape and stick the exposed tape to the spot where you want your light to be placed. Do not touch the exposed tape. It will make the sticky snap less sticky. Do not place the sticky snap on painted areas. Vinyl or powder-coated metal are appropriate surfaces to attach the sticky snap. When removing your C9 or C7 lights, unsnap the carriage and leave the carriage on for next year. That's it. Get a professional look in minutes, year after year, in just the snap.